Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and this is day 5 of the How to Create a Workout Plan video series for beginners. In today's workout, we'll be doing a HIIT core workout. We have 6 exercises that we'll be performing in a circuit. If you're following along, complete 2 to 3 rounds of each exercise. We will have 45 seconds of work for each exercise, 15 seconds to transition between those, and then 60 seconds of rest at the end of each round. So make sure you have your timers, and let's keep moving. If you've happened to run across this video, but you want to follow the entire series, go ahead and click the link. This video series is designed for beginners and created as a step-by-step template that you can use to hit your first fitness milestone. So if you're ready, let's get moving. Today's workout consists of crunches, bicycles, leg raises, alternating toe touches, and 2 sets of side planks. So let's get into it. Okay, let's make these crunches intense. Go ahead and lift your legs up, and when you are crunching, try to get those elbows to your knees. Now, I'm not actually pulling on my head. My hands are just on my head so I can get the proper angle, so that as I reach for my knees, I can ensure that I'm getting my shoulders off the ground. Now, when you're doing these, you want to breathe out as you go to the top and just keep flexing those abs. Make sure you keep your mind on the muscle and try not to let your legs drop down and come up while you're doing these. This next one is bicycles, probably one of my favorite ab exercises because every person that does them feels the burn, and that's what it's all about. So while you're doing these, make sure that you are rotating your upper torso, and that's why I'm taking my elbows and reaching for my knees so I can ensure that my upper torso is rotating properly. Now, if you're new to these and you don't have the core strength to keep your legs up, go ahead and drop your feet all the way down to the floor for each rep. This next exercise is leg raises. Now, these leg raises are pretty simple. However, if you don't do them properly, you'll feel it in your back. So make sure that you're engaging your core muscles so that your back stays straight. If you look at my back, it's nice and flat on the floor. There's no arch. If I put my hands under my back, there's constant pressure pushing down. And how you do that is by engaging the core and doing what's called a posterior pelvic tilt. So keep those legs nice and straight. If you can't keep your legs straight while doing this, go ahead and alternate, or you can just bring your legs all the way to the floor and then bring them all the way back up. Moving into the alternating toe touches. This is a great exercise for beginners. You're going to be working your core quite a bit. Your hip flexors are going to be on fire. You might even feel your quads on this one, but this is going to work your obliques, your rectus abdominis, and your lower abdominals. If you can, make sure you're reaching all the way for your toe. You can have a slight bend in the knee. Ideally, you want to keep those legs nice and straight. This next exercise is one of my personal favorite, the side planks. They'll sneak up on you, even though you're sitting there just in a plank. You know how planks go. You hold it long enough and it will start to burn. This is a great exercise for the obliques, and I find that most people struggle with this one. So if you can, try to hold that as long as you can. If you can't hold it up with just your legs together, then go ahead and drop your knee down and pull your leg back. So the leg that's closest to the floor, just drop that knee right down to the floor. And for the second side plank, you have to do both sides of these, and you have to try to do them both at the same way, because a lot of times we have imbalances. So if you have an imbalance and one side is stronger than the other, then just try to do both sides the same way. That way you're getting the same results and you're not training one more than the other side, because you want to fix up that imbalance. This is a great exercise to end. You're gonna do these exercises 3 rounds, 45 seconds apiece. Good luck. Hey, thanks for watching this video. That felt great. I really needed that ab exercise this week. If you have any questions, go ahead and plug them into the comment area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, let's keep moving.